In this video, we are going to see the diode based application circuit. So, for conducting this experiment, what we are going to do is we are going to construct the positive and negative clipper circuit. So, the aim of this experiment is to construct the biased positive and negative clipper circuits using diodes. So the apparatus required for conducting this experiment way, first thing is you are in need of an RPS in the range of 0 to 30 volt, and next diode IN4001 quantity 1 and resistor 10 kilo ohm resistor 1 and CRO function generator, breadboard and some connecting wires. So these are all the apparatus required for conducting this experiment. So now let me show you the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram for positive clipper. So this is the circuit diagram. Here we are having the function generator and here we are placing a diode, and then we are having two resistance, that is 470 ohm and 10 kilo ohm, and next we are going to observe the signals by means of using the CRO. So this is the positive clipper circuit and this is what the model graph. So now let me show you what is the procedure. So first thing is connections were made as per the circuit diagram. Then you have to switch on the power supply. So the next thing is by means of using the function generator, we can vary the frequency and fixed at a particular frequency. That is, you are going to fix the frequency at a particular frequency by means of using the function generator. Next, you have to draw the corresponding input and output waveforms. After that, you have to note down the amplitude, time of the input and output waveforms. So finally, you have to plot the graph. So this is what the procedure for conducting this experiment, and your supply is switched off. So the same thing is the procedure for conducting the negative clipper circuit also, but in this circuit you could observe a small change. The diode is placed in a different direction. Previously the diode has been placed in the reverse direction. Now it is being placed in the normal direction, that is anode at the left and cathode at the left, at the right. So in the previous case you could observe it is completely in the opposite direction, that is cathode at the left and anode at the right. So the difference between positive clipper and negative clipper is this, the placing of diode is the difference, right? So in this experiment, this is what the tabular column, just you are going to note down the amplitude of the input and output waveform. Also you are going to note down the time in millisecond. So this is what the graph. So clipper, in the sense you are going to cut down the waveform. So positive clipper, in the sense you are going to cut down the positive waveform, and negative clipper, in the sense you are going to cut down the negative waveform. So this is what the thing which we are going to do now. So on seeing this, you can observe for this is what the positive clipper. So this is what the input waveform, and you could see the output. The positive half was not there at both the ends, which means the positive waveform has been clipped off. So this is what the clipper circuit performance. So similarly, you can observe in the negative clipper also. Here you can observe this negative clipper won't have the negative part. So the same input waveform we are having, but the negative part is being clipped off. So this is what the thing which we are going to do with this experiment. So hence the negative and positive clipper circuits were constructed, and its input and output waveforms were drawn by means of using this experiment. And that's all with the experiment. Thank you.